The Trump administration invoked the state secrets privilege on Wednesday to avoid handing over documents in the legal battle concerning Kilmar Abrego Garcia, a man mistakenly deported to El Salvador. This development was confirmed by court records. Justice Department officials had previously indicated they would take this action. However, a new order issued by U.S. District Judge Paula Zinnes shows that the government formally invoked the privilege in a sealed filing earlier that day. Judge Zinnes stated, "The court requires formal briefing of the defendant's invocations of privilege, principally the state secrets and deliberative process privileges," referring to the sealed filing. She has ordered both the government and Abrego Garcia's lawyers to submit written briefs on the issue by Monday. An in-person hearing is scheduled for May 16 in her Maryland courtroom to discuss the matter further. This schedule marks the latest development in the legal case involving Abrego Garcia, who was removed to El Salvador in mid-March despite an immigration judge's decision to protect him from deportation to that country. The administration has accused Abrego Garcia of being a member of the MS-13 gang, a claim largely based on a confidential informant and a separate immigration court ruling. Abrego Garcia's family denies any gang affiliation. Nearly a month ago, the Supreme Court ruled that the government must facilitate Abrego Garcia's return. This decision led to a prolonged battle in Judge Zinnes' court, as the administration argues it is unable to bring back Abrego Garcia and claims he is no longer within federal court's jurisdiction. The case has increasingly been handled privately. After Judge Zinnes ordered the administration to hand over documents and submit officials for depositions, she suddenly reversed course, agreeing to temporarily pause aggressive discovery following a batch of sealed filings by the parties involved. Without explanation, Judge Zinnes, appointed by former President Barack Obama, lifted the pause a week ago. Depositions of 4 Trump administration officials were scheduled to occur by Friday. Now, Judge Zinnes' order indicates that the government is seeking to withhold documents by deeming them state secrets. This marks the second instance where the Trump administration has invoked this privilege in lawsuits challenging deportations to El Salvador in March. Previously, the administration invoked this privilege before U.S. District Judge James Bosper, also an Obama appointee, as he considered whether the government violated his now-lifted order to halt deportation flights. Separately, Judge Zinnes' order sets a briefing schedule for a motion filed by a coalition of news organizations seeking to unseal recent filings. Briefing is set to complete on May 27.